Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Palit White Special Edition of GeForce RTX 4080 Gaming Pro GPU. So friend, the RTX 4080 Gaming Pro, which had its debut recently, will now be available in white color scheme exclusively through for a special giveaway. And friend, what should be noted, it is that for now there is only one card out for grabs, and Pilot has teamed up with Fractal, Silverstone and Kingston to prepare a white theme giveaway for Christmas, and the card looks identical to the original black model and should also come with the same clocks, and it is not clear if this model is factory overclocked though. And friend, this giveaway ends on 3rd January. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.